Put a carrot in your peace lily. Your plants will bloom like never before. Fertilizing houseplants is key to their health and lush growth. Without the right nutrients, plants lose vitality, leaves turn yellow, and flowering becomes rare. Instead of chemical fertilizers, make a natural carrot-based plant food. It's an easy and affordable way to nourish your plants without harmful substances. Chop 1 carrot into small pieces. Carrots are rich in vitamins and minerals that support plant growth and health, containing phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. Place the chopped carrot into a blender and add a liter of water. Blend until smooth. Before watering your plants, strain the mixture through a sieve. Avoid using the pulp, as vegetable leftovers can attract unwanted insects. Use this liquid fertilizer every 15 days to water your peace lily or other houseplants. Soon, you'll notice greener leaves, stronger roots, and more frequent vibrant blooms. Embrace natural care methods and enjoy beautiful, healthy plants all year round. Even a single tablet can save any houseplant. Many people are unaware of how important supplements are for plants. You can find vitamins and minerals right in your home medicine cabinet. With their help, the results of your gardening efforts will be amazing. All it takes is a little time to learn how to use them for your plants. Asparagine contains magnesium and potassium. A deficiency in these elements can cause yellowing of the leaves. Plants become weak and fail to bloom. With potassium and magnesium tablets, your plants will revive and grow more lush. Simply make a small hole in the soil, insert the tablet, cover it up, and water the plant. Use this method every 2 to 3 weeks, and you'll see a difference. Glycine is an amino acid that's a fundamental component of plant tissues and chlorophyll. Glycine enhances the absorption of nutrients through the roots and increases chlorophyll concentration. As a result, plant leaves and flower buds grow much better. Just dissolve 1 tablet in a liter of water and water your plants with it. Aspirin strengthens plants against diseases and accelerates their growth. Salicylic acid, found in aspirin, naturally occurs in plants and boosts their immune systems, protecting them from pests. Once every 2 months, dissolve 1 tablet in 50 milliliters of water. Use it as a spray or watering solution. Calcium is a component of cell walls, influencing their permeability, activating enzymes, neutralizing organic acids, and supporting root growth and development. It also aids in nitrogen absorption and enhances resistance to pests. Crush a tablet and dissolve it in 500 milliliters of water. Water your plants with it once every 3 weeks. Tryptophan reduces stress, preventing growth and development stunting in plants. It's ideal for plants that have been repotted or moved to a new location. Dissolve 2 capsules in water and use it to water your plants. Iodine works wonders for plant growth and health. It's widely used to combat fungal diseases and bacteria. Few people know that no bacteria have ever developed resistance to iodine. When your plants are sick and you're not sure what's wrong, give them iodine. Dissolve 5 tablets in a liter of warm water, let it cool, and then water your plants with it. Instead of pouring it out, pour it under your plants. They'll reward you with lush growth and beautiful flowers. The key to healthy plants is regular care and proper feeding. Pour about 1 quart of water into a tall container. Then take some coffee grounds, a real treasure trove of nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium. They strengthen the roots, boost growth, and improve blooming. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to the water. The next ingredient is rice, preferably white and unpolished. It contains magnesium, iron, starch, zinc, and potassium, everything your plants need to thrive and bloom. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. Now it's time for eggshells, an excellent source of easily absorbed calcium that strengthens plant cell walls and protects them from disease. Crush a few shells in a mortar, break them into small pieces, and add them to the mixture. Stir everything well and let it sit for about 20 minutes. Prepare a large bottle, pour in the whole mixture, and top it up with another quart of water. Mix again. Make a small hole in the bottle cap. This natural fertilizer works for every type of plant. Use it once a week, and you'll notice stronger roots and more abundant flowering. Your plants will love it. This fertilizer costs nothing, and your plants will reward you with lush blooms. This homemade plant tonic works wonders. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and bloom abundantly. Start by preparing a large bowl and a strainer. Pour in about 8 ounces of dry rice. White, unpolished rice works best. Rice contains starch, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc, all the essentials your plants need. Add about 4 cups of cold water, just enough to fully cover the rice. Stir it well by hand and let it sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the rice will release its valuable nutrients into the water. Remove the strainer. The water should look slightly cloudy. That's a sign it contains dissolved minerals. Pour the rice water into a container that makes watering easy. This fertilizer works for all types of plants. Use it once a week. You'll notice the difference quickly. Your plants will become healthy and full, natural, effective, and completely free. Put a potato in your indoor plants, and you'll never waste a plant again. Start by peeling a few potatoes. Potatoes are among the most commonly consumed vegetables. Typically, we use only their flesh, while the peels end up in the trash. This time, however, don't throw the peels away as usual. Potato skins are packed with nutrients like starch, potassium, and phosphorus, which you can easily put to use at home. Collect the peels and place them in a jar. Choose a container large enough to hold all the peels. Next, cover the scraps with water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Finally, seal the jar. If you don't have a lid, tightly wrap the top of the jar with aluminum foil. The potato mixture needs time to develop its benefits, so store it in the refrigerator for a week. During this time, the peels will release potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium into the water. After a week, strain the liquid into another container and discard the peels. They are no longer needed. And that's it. You now have a natural fertilizer, perfect for watering indoor plants, garden flowers, and vegetables. This water is an excellent source of minerals that will strengthen your plants, ensuring abundant blooms and healthy growth. It's a simple, eco-friendly way to transform potato peels into a nourishing elixir for your garden. Just 1 tablespoon of this mixture, and your plants will be covered with beautiful, full blooms. With this fertilizer, your potted flowers will have large, green leaves. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. To start, grab a blender and add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It protects the roots and supports their growth. The next ingredient is coffee. It's a source of nitrogen, which promotes leaf growth and improves soil quality. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee to the blender. Now it's time for rice. Best to use white, unrefined rice. Rice contains B vitamins, iron, potassium, and phosphorus. These nutrients help with flowering and plant immunity. Add 1 tablespoon. Blend all the ingredients into a fine powder. In this form, the plants will absorb the nutrients more quickly and effectively. Transfer the mixture to a smaller container. Add 1 tablespoon to the soil in the pot and gently mix it in. This fertilizer works for all types of plants, both flowering and green ones. Use it every 2 weeks. That's all you need to see amazing results quickly, naturally, effectively, and completely for free, using ingredients you already have at home.